one and put CarPlay by Master Pogi. Almost done. There. This is the Master Pogi. Grandmaster. Oh. It's breaking the car. Now you have a new car.
Yay!
Now play. Now you have now a new car. CarPlay. Check done. Wow, almost done. Wow. Master. Bye-bye. Cafeteria. Play, oh, no more, oh. What will I do with this? This selling? Oh. Now we're putting the new one. We will change with this one, the new CarPlay. I don't know this brand, but they said it's good. Let's see. You know, 10 inches from the midday sun. Which one there you will use? Which one you will use there? The AC?
Yes.
Okay, this is the new Iron Man helmet cover. What you call that, pare? What you call this?
This one is cover.
Cover.
Yes.
So I'm correct. Just putting the AC. The old AC ducting. To my put this in your Facebook.
Facebook?
Zamiya. Very easy, the screen, right?
Screen.
The display is very easy to put.
Yes.
Now it's ready to put the new CarPlay. Nice. Testing. Hey, wow. This sun, no problem, pare, ah.
No,
I'm worried about the sun. Maybe I will cover this towel. Now he's testing. What's your name, pare?
My name is Umar.
Bane Umar?
Umar.
Umar, yeah, Umar. The famous Pakistan runabout. We're in Pakistan, pare.
Islamabad.
Put my name.
What name?
Besham. B-E.
V.
No. B-E.
V.
Wait. Now he's arranging. Hold. What's that, pare, on your phone?
iPhone.
No, what's you're doing?
I'm connecting.
Then later disconnect to my phone, right?
Okay.
All connecting, right? Now you will put also the camera, right?
Yes.
It's easy. Aywa. Good. Yeah, can you hear that sound? Very nice. From Pakistan.
No, this
أيوة أيوة. Now he's putting the camera backside. Putting all the clips. Now the clips is putting and now almost ready. What? Okay, now it's okay. Thank you. It's all working.